20, 25, 30, 35, 40,
45,
50, 55, 60,
65,
70,
75,
80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Skip, count, count by five. Skip, count, count by five. Skip, count, count by five.
Let's do it one more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25,
30,
35,
40,
45,
50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Count by five, skip, count, count by five, skip, count by five.
Counted to 100.
Good job, boys and girls. All right, so right now what we're going to do is we are going to, let me get out of that, we are going to do our math. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need math page 96, a pencil, a whiteboard, and a dry erase marker and an eraser today. Okay, so go ahead and get your supplies. Push pause. All right, so what we're going to do now is you're going to get your dry erase board, and we are going to go ahead and we are going to do some work. So I'm going to have you just write the number that comes after the numbers that are on the board, okay? So using your whiteboard, I'm going to go ahead and call a name. Let's see. Sophia Andra. Hi, Sophie. All right, so what we're going to do, Sophia Andra, is you have the first problem, but all of your friends are going to write the answer. You don't have to write this. Just write the number that comes after 69. So go ahead and write the number that comes after 69. Remember, if you're having a hard time, start at the base number of 60 and go up. All right, let's see. Did you guys write 70? If you wrote 70, kiss your brains. And if you didn't write 70, it's okay. That means your brain is growing and you're learning. All right, let's go ahead and see the second one. It is Asher. Hi, Asher. How you doing, buddy? All right, so Asher, he's going to tell us what comes after the number 30. The kindergartners are going to write the number that comes after 30. Okay, go ahead and do that. Great job. Did you guys write a 31? Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next problem. Ooh, super hard. You guys think that's super hard? All right, my lovies. Nineveh. Hi, Nineveh. How are you, sweetie? Nineveh, can you tell your friends what comes after the number 6? All right, go ahead and write it. Did you guys write down 7? Woohoo! You guys are smart. All right, there's one more to do. Number 18. All right, let's see who can do that one. It's Michael. Hi, Michael. All right, Michael, what comes after the number 18? Boys and girls, go ahead and write that. All right, did you guys write 19? Make sure you put that 1 in the front because that is a teenager. It has one group of 10 with 9 left over. All right, great job. Go ahead and erase those boards. I'm going to erase just this part. And we're going to talk about 1/2 of something. We talked about that a while ago. So I drew some shapes on the board. We know that when something is 1/2, it is equal on both parts. So when you were to fold the paper over, it would be the same. So I drew 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. Okay, you guys are going to tell me which one I'm going to fill in the circle on if it is in half, if the parts are the same. All right, let's see. Dominic. Hi, Dominic. All right, Dominic. What about that heart, buddy? Do you think that heart part is 1/2? What do you guys think? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I can see Dominic going like this. Thumbs up. Nope, it's thumbs down. Dominic, I'm sorry, you're right. I'm sure Dominic was doing thumbs down. So let's go ahead and put in, oops, hold on. Let's go ahead and not put in this because it's not your teacher. She gets freeze sprays all the time. All right, so we're gonna go like this. So Dominic was saying no, and he is right. I was wrong. I was gonna color in a circle. Say no, Mrs. Severson. If somebody gets a brain freeze, boys and girls, what do? That's cool. All right, slide over to the next one, and let's see. Liam. All right, Liam, you got that star. Liam, is that star in half? Are the two parts equal? Are they the same? Liam's saying thumbs up. So now I'm going to color in that circle. Great job, boys and girls. I'm so glad you're here to help me on days like this. All right, let's go ahead and go to that triangle. Look at where that line is on that triangle. Let's see. Rowan. All right, Rowan, look at that triangle. Do you think this and this are 1/2? Do you think they're the same, Rowan? Let's see what Rowan says. Rowan says thumbs down. Good job, Rowan. All right, our next shape is called a what, boys and girls? It's called a rectangle. Did you see where that line was? Ooh, what shape do we make with the line going down the middle? All right, let's see. Noxie. All right, Noxie, if I do the line right here in the middle, is that 1/2? It is. So we're going to go ahead and fill in that circle. Great job. 1/2. All right, boys and girls, so you're going to get your whiteboards out again. And what we're going to do now is I am going to clap a number, and you're going to write that number down. Are you ready? Here I go. Listen carefully. I'm going to count slow. Here we go. Go ahead and write that number. If you know how to write F-I-B-E, write the number word. If you're having trouble writing your number words, you can draw the number in. Let me do that again. What did you hear? Did you hear this number? Let's see. Did you hear 5? Kiss your brain. So you could have wrote 5, or you could have done 5. All right, let's go ahead, try a different number. Are you ready? Here we go. Listen careful. Try that one again. Okay, go ahead and draw that number. I'm going to write the number word only. All right. Did you write the number 2? Say, oh yeah, good job, guys. All right, let me see. I'm going to go ahead and do another one. Listen carefully. This is going to be a higher number. Are you ready? Here we go. Did you get it? Let me do it one more time. Draw that number. I'm going to go ahead and write the number word and see if you got it right. Are you ready? Did you guys draw or write 7? You're right. Good job. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and clap out another one. Are you ready? Here we go. Go ahead and draw that number or try to write a challenger sound. All right, did you write the number 0? If you did, great job, boys and girls. All right, let's do one more. This is going to be the tricky one. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Here we go. Did you get it? All right, go ahead and draw that number or write it in. If you write it in, it's super tricky. Are you ready? Did you write E-I-G-H-T. What word is that, boys and girls? It's the number 8, or you could have went like this, 8. All right, go ahead and erase the board, but keep them close by because we're not quite done. But we are going to get up and sing a song. It's from Heidi. Are you ready? That's a fun way to learn the number 8, huh? So we're going to go ahead and go back to our boards. I'm going to go ahead, I want you guys to draw in a rectangle that's big and wide, and that takes up a lot of your board. Good job. And go ahead and make it into a digital clock. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a time on the digital clock, or the analog clock, and you're going to write it in on the digital clock, okay? Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always push the pause button. Are you ready? Here we go. You can do this, guys. Tick tock goes the clock. Tell the time where it stops. Go ahead and write in that time. All right, boys and girls, did you write a 9 o'clock? If you did, kiss your big fat ginormous brains. I'm so proud of you. All right, it's gonna get a little harder. Let me go ahead and erase mine. Be careful that you don't erase your clock, that you're only erasing the center so you're not drawing it every time. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Tick tock goes the clock. Tell the time where it stops. Ooh, that one's harder, but you guys got this. Look where the hour hand just passed what number? And then you're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Go ahead and do your best. I know it's hard. Telling time by the half hour is hard. Did you write a 1:30? If you did, give yourself a big pat on the back because that is super hard. All right, let's go ahead and erase. Only erase the time. And I'm going to go ahead and give you another time. Are you ready? Tick tock goes the clock. Tell the time where it stops. Oh ho ho. Are you ready? Okay, look at the hour hand first. What number did it just pass? Okay, write that in. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Go ahead, you guys got this. Are you ready? Did you write a... If you wrote 7:30, woo, slap your knee. You guys are doing awesome. All right, let's go ahead and do one more before we get to our paper. Let me erase that. And you guys go ahead and erase yours. Are you ready? Tick tock goes the clock. Tell the time where it stops. Okay, what do you do first? Look at the hour hand. That's the smallest hand. What number did it just pass? Okay, now count by 5s. Okay, write in the time. All right, boys and girls, did you write in 12:30? Good job if you wrote in 12:30. All right, great. Now we're going to put aside our whiteboard, but don't really put it anywhere because we're going to use it for our phonics because you know I like to. All right, so let's go ahead and do our paper, which looks like this. All right, so let me just give you the directions. This is one that you can do by yourself. All right, number 1 says add. So you're going to go ahead and do your addition problems. Number 2 says circle the correct number. You're going to read your number words and only circle that many. Do not circle all of them. Mathematicians always count carefully. All right, number 3 says fill in the circle under the shapes that are divided into halves. Okay, go ahead and do that. And then number 4, it says write the number. So you're not going to write TWO, you're going to draw in the number so I know that you can read those, okay? All right, boys and girls, go ahead and get started on your math paper. When you're finished, it's time for a little bit of a break. So you're going to go out, well, I don't know if you can go outside because it's rainy, but you're going to go ahead and play for a little while, have a healthy snack, and I'll meet you for story time. All right, bye guys.